The global construction landscape is changing, calling for a new generation of excavators. Building on the trusted PC200 and geared for civil engineering application. The new Komatsu PC200-10M0. Highly durable with a field-tested machine frame and Komatsu-made heavy-duty key components. More affordable and higher in fuel efficiency, the machine improves your operation cost and profits. On the safety side, a failure prevention system is enabled by a network of machine sensors and remote monitoring. Guaranteed by the Komatsu Extended Warranty Program. PC200-10M0. Quality and affordability, all yours. Komatsu.